Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a planner Kate haul. I picked up some kits. I didn't pick up like any icons or like script stickers or like functional stickers because I picked up a whole bunch of Hobonichi weeks, kits, monthly, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna get started with the kits first and then I'll save the Hobonichi week things for last. Alrighty, so these are the freebies that came with my order. So with every order you get a Planner Kate sticker. That's her logo. You can put that on binders. I have plenty of those, so I'm probably just going to throw that into a giveaway. You have a Planner Kate business card with a coupon code to save 15% off. I'll leave the coupon code that I use down below in the description box. And then you get 5 freebies. So the first one I have here are these scallops labels. I've been using them a lot recently in my Hobonichi weeks. And then you have these like striped quarter boxes or labels. You have some multicolor arrows here. These 3 box checklists. And then the last one I got here is the coffee script from, I want to say it's called Dorky Doodles is who she collaborated with for the script. I'm actually going to pass this along because I have too many of these already in my collection. So those are the freebies that I got in my order. The first 2 things I have here are the thin washi. She recently came out with add-ons for her mini kits. So both of these are mini kits that I recently picked up. I picked them up in the last haul, and I'm not sure if she's going to be releasing more for all of the mini kits in 2019, but the ones that she released, the add-ons that she released, it's like a 2019-2020 since Erin Condren reformatted her planner, released a new planner and has a new format. I guess Planner Kate decided to release some add-ons, and so I love the thin washi, and I've talked about it before, my planning style with the mini kits. I only pick up the sampler sheet and the full box sheet with the mini kits, so I thought this would be perfect. This is like the perfect add-on to kind of separate the days of the week in the horizontal planner. So I got the 153 kit and the 155 kit thin washi add-on. All right, so the first kit that I picked up is this mini kit. It's mini kit 162. This is called the Rainbow Unicorn kit, and I picked up the, like I said, the sampler page. It comes with enough boxes that I don't need to buy like a box add-on. It comes with my checklist. It has enough scripts, the weekend banner, flags, and 1 full box here, and I use these 2 as kind of like my top washi along the very, very top of the Erin Condren horizontal planner. And then I picked up the second sheet, or technically this is the 3rd sheet. It's 162C, and this is the full boxes. You have 10 full boxes, 11 including the one that comes in the sampler sheet, and then you have 5 half boxes, and there's additional half boxes on the sampler sheet. And this strip of washi here, I just kind of use, like I turn into flags or something like that, and I use in my planner, or I can use it as separators. I can do whatever I want with this side washi here. And then the last thing I picked up with the mini kit is the new add-on. So this is 162M. This is the thin washi. All right, the next mini kit that I picked up, it's the same format, and this is the Kaleidoscope mini kit. It's mini kit 160, and again, I picked up the sampler sheet and the full boxes and the thin washi add-on. Alrighty, the next kit that I picked up is actually a full kit. This is kit 149, which is the Flamingos kit, and I only pick up the full boxes for my full kits. It doesn't have a sampler sheet like the mini kit, so the only things that I pick up are the thin washi, so this is 149Q for the full kits, and then I pick up boxes, which is 149T. This is the patterned boxes, and you have some quarter boxes here and half boxes, which you already have 5 half boxes in the full box sheet. And then I pick up the scalloped boxes, which is 149W. The only thing that's really missing from this kit is the checklist, which I have plenty of. Alrighty, let's get into the Hobonichi weeks part of the haul. So first things first, I pick up a monthly. This is the August. I didn't pick up in monthly for my Erin Condren because I already had a monthly for my Erin Condren for the month of August. So I just picked this one up, and this is kind of the back to school related kit. I really, really like this. I love the little apples. I'm really excited to plan with this. I think I'm going to start pre-planning like 2 months ahead in my Hobonichi week, so this is kind of perfect. This is weeks 158A. This is the Hobonichi Weeks monthly. She also has like a corresponding weekly kit for this, and this is just called School. So I picked up a few kits, and this is the corresponding weeks kit for School. This is weeks 158AB. And I just wanted to give it a try. I'm trying a few different formats for Hobonichi Weeks sticker kits. I really like that this comes with habit trackers, so I'm excited to try that. And it seems to come with everything that I need to plan my weeks out. So I'm really, really excited to give this format a whirl. I also picked up the Tulips kit. This is weeks 126AB. I also picked up the Flamingos kit, and this is weeks 149AB. I picked up lots of functional sheets for the Hobonichi weeks because I do kind of plan on incorporating washi that I already have in my collection to create, the bottom washi area, to section out my different section in the Hobonichi weeks. So I picked up a few functionals that I didn't think I could, create on my own from things that I already had in my collection. These are the Hobonichi weeks day of the week vertical strips, and they come in different colorways. So weeks 14 is the code. This is the pinks and purples. I believe the weeks 12 is your blues. Weeks 13 are your vertical strips, green, yellow, and red. And then weeks 15, I got the rainbow one. So it's an entire, these are just one strip, which I appreciate. And it's a rainbow like colorway. And I didn't notice this online, but it actually comes with a few like little mini boxes that you can use within your weeks. So I do appreciate that. So I picked up the Hobonichi Weeks Square Full Box label. This is week 7, which is the diagonal stripe. And then I also picked up just the plain one, so there's no stripe. It is a white center. This is the weeks 6 one. And then the last thing in this haul, this is the Hobonichi Weeks checklists. So you have your weeks 1, which is your square checklist, and then your weeks 2, which is your dot checklist. Yeah, so that's everything that I picked up from Planner Kate. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I currently post 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And then on Sundays, I like to post a plan with me. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.